Geirangerfjord, located in Norway, is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from around the world. Known for its stunning landscape and picturesque views, Geirangerfjord has become a popular destination for travelers seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. One of the best ways to capture the beauty of Geirangerfjord is with a drone. Drones allow you to see a unique perspective and take stunning shots of this picturesque fjord from above. From above, you can see the majesty of the fjord, which stretches for 15 kilometers, surrounded by lush greenery and impressive cliffs. Geirangerfjord offers various opportunities for tourism and travel. Visitors can embark on boat tours to explore the fjord up close and witness its grandeur from the water. These tours often include stops at notable landmarks such as the Seven Sisters waterfall and the Eagle Road viewpoint, providing visitors with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. In conclusion, Geirangerfjord in Norway offers an unparalleled experience for tourists and travelers seeking to immerse themselves in awe-inspiring natural landscapes.